A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So, let's start the topic. So, today's topic is blood supply of brain and spinal cord. So, the next is the blood supply to cerebellum. As cerebellum is the most important part of the brain and it receives the blood from the superior cerebral artery, which is denoted by SCA, from the basilar artery, and the second branch is the anterior inferior cerebellar arteries, which is denoted by the AICA, which receives the bloods from the basilar artery, and the third is it receives the blood from the posterior inferior cerebellar artery, as it is denoted by PICA, which receives the blood from the vertebral arteries. As a detailed structure of the blood supply to cerebellum is given in the given diagram. So coming to the next part, that is the blood supply to the spinal cord. The spinal cord is supplied with blood by three main arteries which runs along its length, and it is started in the brain and many arteries which approaches it through the sides of the spinal column. As the three main longitudinal arteries are the anterior spinal artery, and the second is the right posterior spinal artery, and the third one and the last one is the left posterior spinal arteries. As these three arteries travel in the subarachnoid space and send branches into the spinal cord, and they form anastomosis together via the anterior and the posterior segmental medullary arteries, which further enters into the spinal cord at from various points along its length, which later on supplies the blood up to the cervical segments. So guys, hope so you all understand very well. And for more information, please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. Till then, take care.